Okay, now what I'm about to do, like I told you, I was making a bacon cheeseburger with some homemade fries, so make sure you check out both of those videos. I didn't want to make these videos too long, so I sectioned them all off. Now I'm going to show you how to be able to make bacon in the oven. To me, I like making bacon in the oven. Some people like making it over the stove, but I always get popped real bad over the stove, so that's why I stopped making bacon. But once I start putting it in the oven, you'll have no problem at all. I got this bacon from Kroger's. You can get it from any grocery store, whoever you go with, it don't matter. I usually like to use the Hormone Black Label, but for some reason it's really expensive now. So sometimes I'll be frugal. I don't get cheap stuff, but I'll be a little frugal when it comes to bacon, because for some reason bacon want to be $10 all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just take the bacon out. I like to use a non-baking sheet. I like to line it with some aluminum foil because it's super easy once it's time to clean it up. You just put how many ever pieces of bacon that you want on here. Again, I'll be making a bacon hamburger, so I'll probably just make about 3 a piece, because you know bacon shrivel up. So always know that it will shrivel up, so you always want to make some extra amounts of bacon. And I'm just going to just take it off, tear it apart, and just make sure you lay them straight. You want to make sure they all lay real nice and neat, because you want all of it to cook. And I'm telling you, it's so much better when you use this aluminum foil. I remember one time I didn't use the aluminum foil. The grease is hard sometimes to get out of the pan, as well as the bacon just make a big mess. So it's better when you do it with aluminum foil. All you got to do is just take it just off, throw the aluminum foil away, and it's spick and span clean. And remember, never overlap the bacon. It always should lay nice and neat. So if you are not able to get too many pieces of bacon on your baking sheet, just use another baking sheet. Just don't overlap them, because you want them to be able to cook evenly. I'm just scooting it over. Okay, so this is how it look. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it on 20 minutes. You cook it in the oven on 400. You do want to check it every now and then, but you do not have to turn it over. That's one good thing I like about cooking in the bacon. You do not, in the oven, you do not have to turn it over. But make sure you look at it. Now, if it look like something crazy happening, you know to turn it over. But usually you don't have to turn it over. So that is how you make bacon. Once it get done, I'll show you the end results. Go ahead again, clean up as you go. And now I'm about to start on my homemade fries. Okay, so the bacon is done. It looks really, really good. I took it out the oven. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay the pieces on top of this paper plate with some napkins on it. You always want to make sure you drain out all your meat. You do not want to serve oily bacon to any of your guests. It's already bad enough that we're eating it, but you don't want to have to add all the oils to it. And I just kind of just lay it right there and let the paper towel drain. But this is the end result. You have nice crunchy bacon. Again, I cooked it on 400 for 20 minutes, and now I have no cleanup. I'm just going to be able to let this oil get cool, and then I can be able to just throw it in the trash, because it's only a little bit in the paper. The actual aluminum foil will keep it all in. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos as well. Take care, be blessed, and I'll chat with you guys later. Bye.